Who can resist this Monggo Guisado done the authentic way and with fresh Ampalaya leaves from our garden? Join me here on Channel 1 where we grow, cook and share. And today it's a special day because we're sharing this to homesick expats in Vienna. Join me here for some learning and fun here on Channel 1. We went to the market for fresh liempo. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen. Yes, as you've heard in the intro, we're here in Vienna cooking Monggo Guisado. We're featuring our fresh Ampalaya leaves from the garden. By the way, there's a series of Ampalaya recipes in the playlist. Let me show you the preparations. Boil water enough for your mungo and add the mungo once the water briskly boils. I don't usually do this, but I add the caramelized pork just to soften it. I want it to be extra soft. We don't usually do this, but I like to give the pork liempo or the pork belly that buttery, soft and buttery texture. That's preferred. That feeling of pork liempo melting in your mouth, just like butter. That's magical with mungo. After approximately 20 minutes, we get this softness, and we can stop boiling it at this point. We can turn this off now. Obviously, it's not totally softened, and that's what we want. But I'll continue boiling it here later. First, we do the stir fry. Nothing new here, it's just garlic or onion. I think I forgot to mention the rest of the ingredients. Ginger and garlic and tomato. Just that. And fish sauce. And the Ampalaya leaves, which I'll show later. There's no harm in putting or adding the ginger and the garlic together. I kind of smell ginger and garlic, the aroma. Now the tomato. We don't usually do this, but it does wonders. Let's add some drops of patis in our sauté. We'll get a more enhanced flavor. Not to mention enhanced aroma. It's strong, but it's worth it. Now we can add the mungo and we'll continue stewing it here to mix it with the rest of the flavor. If needed, we can add more water. I think we need more water for this. You know, in my language, in my dear Ilocano, we have a word for soupy or watery dish. Birao, birao. So you have the option whether to do this really stewed, thick sauce or birao, birao. Your choice. I think this would go to the more standard thick Monggo stew. Let's prepare the Ampalaya now. My most precious harvest from the garden. And it's a special request of my brother here. He asked me to bring this and to cook this. There will be joy.
While I'll work on these leaves, how about showing you the beautiful places here in Vienna? And if you want to see more of this and of the world, how about visiting my barrio, my mundo? Yeah. And back to our precious Ampalaya leaves. We can add patis sauce or fish sauce at this point. And once we are satisfied with the softness of the Monggo beans, we can add the Ampalaya leaves. Let's just cover this and it's cooked. It's time to serve once my brother gets back. And here it is, exactly how I wanted it. Thick and soft with Ampalaya leaves and pork liempo.
Vemas? I told you, it's made the way we do it in Pangasinan. This is our unofficial provincial dish. Thank you for joining us today and see you in the next video. We'll be making more dishes with Ampalaya. There's a playlist in the description box below.
Everyone enjoyed it, including the Europeans. I'm sure you two will like it. Gawa na, huwag na mainggit. Gawa na.